What if a single misstep in a viral game show could inspire a worldwide phenomenon? During a high-stakes round of a notorious red light, green light from the Squid Game series, a contestant, clad in desperation and determination, unknowingly became the centerpiece of a global sensation. As the game commenced, a hidden camera captured the contestant's comical blunder, an ill-timed sneeze that sent him tumbling forward just as the robotic doll turned its head. This unintended pratfall, replayed millions of times across social media, sparked a movement of humor and empathy, with people around the world sharing their own game fails and finding solidarity in their shared humanity. The unexpected camaraderie and laughter transformed the once dreaded challenge into a celebration of imperfection, proving that sometimes the best connections are born from the most unexpected places.